Boyle's law is one of many gas laws. This law describes the inversely proportional relationship between the absolute pressure and volume of a gas when the temperature is constant. This gas law was named after chemist Robert Boyle, who published and created the law in 1662. Although he published the law, he was not the one who discovered it. Earlier in 1660, his two friends Richard Towneley and Henry Power discovered it and brought it to his attention. There are many scientists that worked on this law, but Robert Boyle was the one who got his name on it. Boyle's law is used to show the before and after volumes and pressures of a fixed amount of gas. The equation is written as P1 V1 equals P2 V2. For example, say a gas tank holds 2,785 liters of propane at 800 millimeters of mercury. What would the volume be at standard temperature and pressure? Using Boyle's law, you would plug in 2,785 liters into volume 1 because that is your first volume multiplied by 800 millimeters of mercury as your P1 because it is the pressure of the propane. Then knowing standard pressure is 760 millimeters of Hg, you would use that as your P2 to then calculate to find V2. The volume would be 2,931.57895 at standard temperature and pressure after you have calculated all the steps down. Boyle's law can be happening right in front of you, and you probably wouldn't even know it. For example, filling up a car tire. This is an everyday thing for some people. While you're filling your tire to around 30 to 35 psi, as you put more air into the tire, the gas molecules are being forced to pack together, which reduces the volume. You can see from this real-life example that the pressure and volume are inversely proportional. The more gas you put in the tire, the more you are reducing the volume of the gas. As you can see, Boyle's law is all around you, and you should take it upon yourself to experiment and learn about this one of the many gas laws.